Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the model and placing the memory block. Open your Simulink model, then use the library browser to drag the memory block into your diagram. Once placed, double-click to set the initial condition to a known value and specify sample time and signal dimensions so downstream blocks read predictable data. You do this now because an explicit initial value avoids startup transients. Make sure to connect upstream and downstream signals before proceeding to configuration. Next, configure the memory block's behavior and timing so it behaves correctly within your system. You should choose whether you need a one-step discrete delay or continuous memory semantics. This affects how the block updates. Once done, match sample times across the source, memory, and sync blocks to prevent rate transition issues. If you carry multiple signals, enable frame-based processing or set vector dimensions explicitly. Make sure to apply data type and complexity settings so numerical consistency. Finally, validate the block in simulation and resolve common problems. Run the model and inspect input and output with a scope or the data inspector to confirm expected delay and values. If you encounter algebraic loops, use the memory block specifically to break the loop because it introduces the required one-step latency. If you see unexpected behavior, make sure sample times match or add a rate transition block to handle mismatched rates. This prevents race conditions and logging artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.